How to get free Popmart Labubu shipping in the USA. The first way to get free Popmart Labubu shipping is to subscribe to Popmart's newsletter. For this, open up any web browser and head over to popmart.com. Now, scroll all the way down and here you will find the option to enter your email address. Enter that and click on the sign up option. Once you do that, Popmart will notify you when there is limited free ship windows such as free shipping weekend or free ship on orders. These promotions can pop up around major US shopping holidays such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Valentine's Day, or Lunar New Year. Now, during these occasions, you can simply use the free shipping offers and get free shipping in USA on your Labubu orders. Another way to get free shipping is through Popmart membership. Members can enjoy free shipping on orders over the following amounts. For US, you will get free shipping on orders over $199 US. So once you place an order of $199 US, you can easily get free shipping on your Labubus. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.